Hello, everyone. Wheat has long been considered the staff of life and is one of the most important cereal crops supporting human civilization. Originating in the Fertile Crescent region over 10,000 years ago, wheat cultivation gradually spread worldwide with its ability to thrive across diverse climates and soils. Today, wheat fields carpet the prairies of North America, producing over 2 billion bushels annually and making the United States one of the top wheat exporters globally. This golden grain lies at the heart of American agriculture and holds cultural significance in rural communities that have farmed its bountiful rewards for generations. I hope this story piques your interest in discovering more about the adventures of a lowly kernel of wheat. This video will take a journey through a typical wheat farm in America, following the crop from planting season through harvesting, transportation, and processing at a modern wheat milling factory. As winter ends and temperatures begin to rise in early spring, it is time for wheat farmers to begin preparations for the next season's crop. First, the soil must be properly prepared to receive the wheat seeds. Plowing is done to break up compacted soil and incorporated crop residues from previous harvests. This improves drainage, aeration, and root penetration into the ground. Specialized farming equipment, such as tractors equipped with discs or plows, are used for this crucial soil cultivation step. Next, fertilizers are applied depending on soil test results. Nitrogen encourages healthy stalk and leaf growth, while phosphorus and potassium promote strong roots and grain filling. Fertilizer can be organic sources such as manure or compost, or mineral forms such as ammonium nitrate or urea. Soil pH is also balanced using lime if needed. Once tilled and amended, the land is ready for seeding. Wheat varieties suited to the region's rainfall, temperature, and growing season are selected. Hard red winter wheat is commonly grown in the Great Plains for its high yield potential and protein content, preferred by mills. When conditions are right, usually around October or November, the seed drill is pulled across the fields to plant the wheat seeds at a precise depth of 1 to 2 inches and optimal spacing. Modern drills can plant several rows at once for efficiency. Wheat requires around 1 bushel of seed per acre. As the tiny seeds are dropped into the soil, press wheels firmly pack soil around them for optimal germination. It will be several weeks before any green shoots emerge as wheat enters its dormant period over winter. During this phase, careful scouting helps catch any problem weeds or pests in their early stages. Proper seedbed preparation ensures the wheat gets off to a healthy start during its critical establishment phase. Wheat was one of the first cultivated grains, dating back over 10,000 years ago to ancient Mesopotamia. Different wheat varieties are grown depending on their intended end use, such as bread wheat, durum wheat for pasta, or one suited for cookies and cakes. Modern seed drills can plant 300+ acres of wheat per day, a vast increase from traditional hand broadcast methods. By late February or March, the dormant wheat seeds have begun sprouting. With the longer daylight hours and warming soil, tiny green shoots emerge across the fields in uniform lines. Over the next few months, the wheat plants will develop through different growth stages as their stalks shoot skyward. During stem elongation in April and May, the stalks grow rapidly as the plants transition from vegetative to reproductive growth. It is a lush sea of green as the stalks and leaves multiply. Farmers keep a close watch during this period for any disease or pest issues. Common threats include Hessian fly larvae that feed inside the stalks or fungal rust diseases affecting the leaves. Early detection allows timely treatment using integrated pest management practices when needed. As temperatures rise into the summer months of June and July, the plants focus their energy on flowering and grain formation. The golden heads of wheat blossoms nod gently in the winds. Bees flock to the fields, assisting in crucial pollination. At full height, wheat stalks can reach 3–4 feet tall, but commercial varieties have been bred for short, sturdy stalks less prone to lodging. Bees play a key role in wheat pollination, transferring pollen from anthers to stigmata for kernels to fully develop. With the start of August, the wheat has reached physiological maturity when kernels have developed their maximum dry weight. Now, it is time for harvest before any unwanted rains occur that could lower quality. The farmer and hired crew make final preparations of the combine harvester, a large self-propelled machine with a cutting platform front and grain tank. It is equipped with cutting blades to sever the stalks, threshing mechanisms to separate wheat kernels from chaff, fans to blow away debris, and sieves to grade the grain. As the combine slowly rolls through the ripened field starting in late July or August, wheat is harvested at the optimum 15–18 moisture level. Freshly cut stalks spill from the back while kernels are collected in the grain tank. Multiple daily trips are made from field to storage as harvest progresses at a rate of 5–10 acres per hour. In just a few short weeks, the entire wheat crop will be safely gathered before moving to the next steps in production. The giant self-propelled combines are truly marvels of machinery. Weighing over 20 tons, these modern harvesters can house over 1,000 bushels of grain and cover up to 300 acres in a single day. Multiple threshing and cleaning components precisely separate wheat from chaff and stalks at a rate of over 5,000 pounds per hour to maintain quality. On-board computers monitor yield and moisture to optimize combine performance across changing field conditions. The wheat farmer's crop is ready for delivery out of on-farm storage to customers and processing facilities. A fleet of large semi-trucks arrives at the bins. Special bulkhead gates ensure the valuable commodity doesn't shift during transport. The wheat trucks have now reached their destination, a packaging facility located near several population centers for convenient distribution. The facility packages over 2 million bushels of wheat annually into various retail packaging. An intricate network of conveyors swiftly transports the wheat throughout the multi-floor packaging plant. First, sublots of wheat are sampled in the receiving lab to analyze factors such as moisture content and foreign materials. Only top-quality grains meeting standards are accepted for packaging. The wheat is then stored short-term in towering silos holding many thousands of bushels each. From storage, the grain is transported as needed for packaging. Advanced machinery precisely weighs out quantities of wheat into various sized retail packages, such as 25 or 50-pound bags. State-of-the-art bagging lines complete up to 30 bags per minute using automated scales, spouts, and sealing systems. Finished packaged products rapidly move through quality checkpoints before cooling and preparation for delivery. Pallets are stacked, wrapped, and made ready for transport in refrigerated trucks and rail cars. Some wheat is packaged in larger bulk containers for industrial customers, while other products are packaged into mini sizes targeted for on-the-go consumers. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to receive the latest videos.